One of the most important questions you should ask yourself before trying to rebuild trust in your relationship is this: what should trust look like? If you do not know what trust should look like, it will be impossible for you to rebuild the trust in your relationship, no matter how hard you try. So what should trust in your relationship look like? In a word, it should look like comfort. Comfort to interact fully, comfort to be emotionally naked, comfort to be honest, comfort to say, "I am sorry," comfort to love and be loved fully. The trust you have and feel in your relationship should make you want to turn up fully in that relationship. Fully. Anything less is not trust. That is what it should look and feel like. So how do you get to this trust? Maybe a good place to start is to look at how you do not get there. Too many make the mistake of building trust the wrong way. To establish trust in your relationship, that trust must come from the integrity of what is being used to build that trust in the first place. Too many times, in our rush to have a relationship, we build our trust either on belief or faith or hope and think that what we have is trust. That is a big mistake. Trust is not belief or faith or hope. And certainly in an intimate relationship, it has to be based on more. Belief is, I believe he went to see the doctor because he mentioned something about not feeling well. Belief in this case is derived from the not feeling well mention. Faith is, I have faith that he will be well because he is a good man. Faith here is based on the belief about good men, which as faith goes, is quite okay. Hope is, I hope he went to see the doctor because he wasn't looking too well. Hope here is based on the desire for a particular outcome, someone getting well. Trust at a minimum is, I trust he went to see the doctor because he said he definitely would, and based on what I know about him, I think he did. Trust here is based on something known about someone else, not just hope, or faith, or assumption. When you step on a solid surface with confidence, you trust the strength of the surface based on the integrity of the material that makes up that surface. So it must be too with the trust you build in your relationship. That trust must be all about comfort, comfort that will have you showing up every day in that relationship without doubts. The components of that trust must be carefully nurtured if that trust is to bear the fruits of comfort and happiness in your relationship. So what are these components? In another video we will identify these and how to infuse your relationship with them so that complete comfort will be the result.